No, it's okay. I know you can, right? Come on, stop thinking. Why you stand down here and show your meeting 100%? Okay, Sophie, 100%. Go! Come on. Sophie, 100%. Come, please. Hang on, I know you don't have a broken flipper. So that means 100%, huh? Maybe not, but check this out. Wow! Maybe we'll take that. Well, you know what guys, we're the Sea Lion Marine Patrol because these guys are South American sea lion. That's it, but how can we tell? We know. So as you can see, those sea lions have big and powerful ears. They use them to swim through the water and let like a bird uses its wings to fly through the air. That's correct. Sea lions have hind flippers that rotate. So moving on land is very easy. Can you show them how? That's right. So now you know how sea lions move. True seals on the other hand are very different. They have very small top flippers, and their back flippers don't rotate. So on land, they move a little bit. Okay guys, would you like to see Sophie's imitation of a seal? Guys, would you like to see it? Yeah! Okay, Sophie, you heard them and show them seal.
Grabe, pawis ko.
There you go. That looks like a seal, and this is how a seal walks.
Very good.